INTEBEE Web Spec Maker is a newly launched web browser-based application, specifically designed for creating spec sheets for interior designers and architects. You can access it anytime, anywhere, from your desktop web browsers. You can manage the project information, status, and product information per project. And you can create the beautiful spec sheet PDF just with one click. It offers a free plan, a personal plan with 3 team members, and professional plans with 20 team members. Please note that the pricing is per team, not per user. Let's sign up. You can sign up for free without billing information. If you're the first one in your team to start using INTEBEE Web Spec Maker, please enter the team name. If a team member is already using Spec Maker, please ask the team manager to invite you to the team. You will receive the confirmation email to access the dashboard shortly after. Now, email is confirmed. This is the dashboard. It includes the project, team, account, product, client, team setting, and billing tabs. Within the Team Setting tab, you can set up your own team use project status or project category. Also, you can set your own product category, although there are basic preset available for your team to start using INTEBEE Spec Maker right after signup. There are some area that Team Manager can only set up. The most important part is the team logo. This will be shown on the PDF document you create. Please add your company logo. Let's start by creating a new project. The project page currently has 2 tabs, one for project information and another for the spec sheet. Let's begin filling in the project information. This includes the project name, client info, project code, project category, project description, project currency, and the address. Then, we input the current project status. You can add project members from your team and also a revision code. Now let's move to the spec sheet. Let's create a new spec sheet. The spec sheet includes the project category, which you can edit in your team setting, product name, product description, image, sub-images, documents, dimension, manufacturer, and source. Manufacturer and source will be selected from your team's shared database. You don't have to fill everything. Just fill what you think you need. You can add the area. Area will be shared through project. Let's put the area code so that it'll be reflected on the item code. Area has been added. Let's add the most important one, item code number. You can see the suggested item code number here too. Revision code to tell which spec is the latest one. Quantity. Reference price and note. Now you can assign the finish and fabric and leather to the product. The finish can be selected from the finish spec sheet in your project. If there's no finish spec, you can add it. Let's add the dusty mint color and oak wood finish as examples. You can add requirements and instructions for each spec. We will introduce a template function in the future to share typical requirements through your team. Let's add the oak too. I will show you quickly. Now we add the note about where in this product you want to apply this finish to. Now you can see we already have 3 specs. Let's add one more spec with upholstery. Add the category, name, description, image, dimension, requirement, manufacturer, and add the manufacturer. We can add custom manufacturer so that we can keep using it in the future. Don't worry, you don't need to fill everything out. We can fill only what we need, except for the spec code number. Once you assign the area and code number, you can see the full item code above the window. You can change how the coding logic in the Project Info tab. Okay, let's add the wood as a finish. Let's add the walnut this time. And adjust the quantity information. And yes, looks good. And finally, add the fabric. Let's add quadrant fabric, which is nice. For the fabric and leather quantity, once you assign the fabric and leather to the product and add quantity and com quantity for each product, the system will automatically calculate the total usage. Looks good. Let's check how the spec sheet looks. Here is the single spec sheet view. You can select to export the attached documents such as drawing or cut sheet together. You can choose to show the finish and upholstery spec sheet together or separately. Let's export the PDF document. As it's an online process, it might take some time depending on the network and your computer. Please be patient. Looks great. By filling the information, you can easily create these beautiful product specifications. And it's easy to manage and update, not like spreadsheet or Illustrator data. Let's get back to the list. You can easily sort the products by area, category, and keyword. We will add a filter with revision code shortly. Let's try to export the list. Click Download PDF and select the list. Here it goes. Please note that it only exports the products currently showing in the view. Let's try to export all the products in this project. Select all area and all category. And of course, you can download all the spec sheet combined together from this Download PDF button. Done. Let's go back to the dashboard. In the Product tab, you can register products you often use, so you can create your project spec sheet quickly. Also, we plan to collaborate and add the product database as INTEBEE in the future. If you'd like to use the paid version of INTEBEE, you can subscribe to it from the Billing tab. That's all. We hope you like INTEBEE Web Spec Maker. If you have any questions or requests to add new functions, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching the tutorial. We hope to see you on INTEBEE.